Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix screen resolution setting grayed out problem in Windows 11. So you are unable to change the screen resolution. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Expand the display adapter section and you just need to right click on the driver you are using it. In my case I am using NVIDIA. Right click on it and select update driver. Select search automatically for driver, and after getting this close it up here, and now you just need to check your problem resolved or not. After updating your graphics card driver, if you still having problem, then you just need to right click on the driver again and now click on update driver again and select browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. In here you just need to try the older version of your graphics card driver guys, and hopefully that can able to resolve a problem. But if you still having issue after doing that, you just need to minimize this and open up Chrome, and now open up device manager. You just need to search for your graphics card driver name over here, exactly how your graphics card driver name in device manager. After typing it, you just need to type driver, and you just need to type your Windows version. In my case Windows 11 64-bit. You just need to type it and now press enter. Now you will be get the official site guys. You just need to click on it. You just need to click on the download now option and download it guys. I already downloaded it. It will opens up GeForce Experience. In there you just need to update your graphics card driver guys, and after updating your graphics card driver, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. By doing this you will be get the up-to-date drivers for it, and you can download from the manufacturer site the latest drivers available, and this latest driver can fix the problem guys. You just need to download and install it guys. After getting installed and the certain application, for example GeForce Experience, NVIDIA or AMD, they all have individual application for updating graphics card driver. You just need to update from there, and you just need to download the drivers for it, and after that you just need to install it, and that will be open up the application, and that application you just need to update your drivers guys. Hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.